Here are 5 good Muslim habits that both girls and boys can practice. 1. Regular prayer, salah. Praying 5 times a day is a fundamental practice for Muslims. It helps to maintain a strong connection with Allah and keeps one focused on the purpose of life. 2. Reading and reflecting on the Quran. Reading and understanding the Quran is a key habit. It provides spiritual guidance and strengthens one's faith. 3. Kindness and respect to parents. Islam places great emphasis on treating parents with respect and kindness. It's one of the most important ways to earn Allah's pleasure. 4. Giving charity, sadaqah. Charity purifies wealth and helps those in need. Giving in charity is not just about money, but can also include acts of kindness. Maintaining good character, akhlaq. Having good manners, being truthful, patient, forgiving, and treating others with respect. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized this in his teachings.